Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike Green. I'm one of the owners of 1A Auto. I want to help you save time and money repairing and maintaining your vehicle. I'm going to use my 20 plus years experience restoring and repairing cars and trucks like this to show you the correct way to install parts from 1AAuto.com. The right parts installed correctly. That's going to save you time and money. Thank you and enjoy the video.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the airflow sensor on this 2002 Sierra with a 6.0 liter. This procedure is basically the same for any 99 to 06 or 2000 to 2006 GMC or Chevy truck and SUV, and the only tool you'll need is a flat blade screwdriver. First, you'll want to move your intake hose by removing or loosening two clamps, one there and one there. Okay, and we're going to kind of speed up through this part here. Use your screwdriver to kind of pry in, break the rubber loose from the plastic, maybe twist it a little bit as well, and then pull it from the throttle body. And also pry, there's a little clip that holds the radiator hose in, pry that out with your screwdriver as well.
With the intake out of the way, you're going to want to use a screwdriver, and there's a gray locking clip here that you want to pry up on each side. Okay, it comes out. Okay, and then there's a little tab right here. You push that tab and pull up and off. And then you have a hose clamp right here. Just use your flat blade screwdriver again. Okay, and now you'll want to probably kind of twist, use your screwdriver, just kind of break the seal of the plastic and the rubber. And your airflow sensor comes right off. Okay, so you can see the new part from 1A Auto is just like the old part. You would transfer this ring. This airflow sensor that's on this vehicle is working fine, so I'm not going to put a new one on. But obviously, you would just remove this rubber ring with some force. It just basically kind of sticks to the plastic. Okay, so there's the ring was off. Okay, and you would put the ring right back on. Has a couple of tabs that locate it right down here, that tab. Okay, so push it back on, and then there is a cutout right here, and there's a locator on the air box to line up. Push it on, tighten up your clamp. Okay, plug that in. Make sure you put your locking tab back down in.
Okay, and we're going to fast forward through this section, which is just putting that tube back in basically, and pushing the rubber onto the plastic, tightening up the clamps, and reinstalling that little clip that held the radiator hose to it. And after that, you should be pretty much all set. We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.